Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are doing the first 2023 Cat Lady box. So it's the month of January, and again, I did not see any sneak peek. I don't know what's the theme. I have no idea, so it's going to be a surprise for me. So of course Alice took ownership of the box. She's like, it's mine, don't touch it, don't touch it. So I really can't wait to see what we have in this box. Let's remove her. Yes. Come say hi. Hello. 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 Let's open this. Okay, thank you. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. This is precious. So the featured cat lady artist is Eva Farb. She's on Instagram at Eve_Farb, F-A-R-B. She's a children's illustrator. This is super cute, super precious, super sweet. So last month box was the December box, and I was like, oh, it's not very Christmassy and everything. So I went to check what was the theme, and it was the perfect gift. So I think that's why it wasn't very Christmassy. It was like diamonds and stuff like that. I didn't really get the theme, but yeah, that's why it wasn't Christmas. So this month I'm gonna tell you the theme. It's perfect morning. So probably getting a mug, perfect morning, something for toast, I don't know. So let's see what we have. So cute. Okay, so I stopped a little bit just to take the thumbnail, and she stole a toy, and I don't know where it is. So where did you put it? Okay, so we're gonna start with this one. This is a toy, so it's a little lion with a little tail. It's super cute. Oh, how precious is this? This is so cute. Oh, I just realized that it's his body here. This is so cute. So this was Dandelion catnip toy. It's $5. There's catnip. Yeah. So this is so cute. So, you know, like this is worth $5 in my opinion. Let's see. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you want to play? You want to play? So the next thing I see, it's a mug. So it says cat mug, rise and shine. And it says 12 ounces. How do you open it? From here. So, here you go. Ooh, I like the color. So the inside is yellow, really pretty. And on the outside there's a cat acting as the sun, and it says rise and shine. I have a lot of mugs though, but I think this one is more usable than the last one we got, where it was like iridescent. They were saying that you could not put in the microwave and stuff like that, so I think this one is better. It's really cute. How much does it cost? So it says perfect morning mug, $19. Oh my God. I think it's maybe a little bit exaggerated. $19 for this kind of mug. I feel like it's a little bit exaggerated. I don't think it's worth that, but I think it's pretty cute. Let's see not the last thing, sorry. The next thing. What is this? So it's it says three perfect notebooks. You know what? Let's open them and see. So the first one is like cat rule the world. It's lined. It's pretty good. I'm not sure it's something I'm gonna use. The next one is this one. Sorry, Alice is playing with the wire. Don't play with the wire, come on. So this is this one. It's lined. It says meow. And you have this one. This one is so freaking cute. Again, it's lined. So that's pretty neat. I'm not sure I'm gonna use them. I don't really use that kind of notebooks. I don't think I've ever written anything in this kind of notebooks. So it's not super useful to me, but okay. So it says $12. Again, pretty expensive. $12? I would not have paid $12 for that. I would have paid like $2, something like that. I don't think it's worth $12 at all. But it's cute. Next thing, am I missing something? I'm missing a toy. Oh, okay, I found it. So, oh, it's cute. It's a beanie. It's cute. This is cute. So it says crochet, kitty, bundle up and chill out, kitties. There's plenty of catnip and cozy for you. And this snuggly little pom-pom beanie. Hey, don't eat the t-shirt. You're no nice. Come on. Wait. Okay, you can go. Okay. So this is pom beanie catnip toy, $6. This is $6. This is $5. I feel like this one is worth more. Am I wrong? Like, I think it's more intricate than this one. I might be wrong, I don't know. So the last thing is, I said t-shirt, but I think it's a sweater. Oh, it's the color of my hair. So it says, wake up and be possum. So it's a sweater. There's no hoodie, it's just a sweater. White sweater. Oh, inside it's like fleece, so it's gonna be comfortable, but I'm not sure this is something I'm gonna wear outside. I feel like it's more like pajama-ish, at least for me, maybe a little bit young. I don't know, I feel like it's not really... So this says Bee Possum sweatshirt, $26. Oh, that's expensive. Okay. Yeah. So she's like, you're so cute. So anyway, I'm pretty disappointed in this box. This is the first box of 2023, and I feel like it's, I don't know. The toys I like, I think they are pretty cute. The notebooks, this, I don't know, even that. This feels like sweatshirt that you would wear in like the 80s when I was a little girl, or the 90s, and we would wear these kind of stuff. So maybe that's why I'm like, meh, because it reminds me of me wearing joggings, and that reminds me of that. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think it was worth it. Not at all. Let me know what you think in the comments. I want to know what you guys think of this month's box, because I don't know. Again, the toys are my favorite things this month. That's pretty much it. I don't really like the sweatshirt. I like the mug. I like the color, but this is really basic. Very basic. So like I can find this in a souvenir store for like, I don't know, $3 or $4. I don't know. So this was perfect morning theme. I don't get perfect morning in the toys. I don't get perfect morning in the notebooks. The only thing that is theme are the sweatshirt and this. I don't know. I feel like they missed the mark, I think, this month. I really hope that they are not losing their touch because I really like cat ladybugs. Tell me what you think. Tell me in the comments if you like everything, if you like something that I didn't like, if you have another like opinion. I really want to know. I want to know what you guys think. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe if you want, of course. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.